Hello, Joe. The way some people they look for money, it will shock you. These our Naija boys, they know they get limit. The way they pursue money, they target money anyhow, anywhere. They don't send repercussion. Look at this. FBI pursues Lagos Yahoo boy for defrauding U.S. President Donald Trump of 2025 inauguration fund. A Naija boy, they say Trump, they won't do inauguration for him. Call this scam Trump for inside Nigeria. Now the story I won't tell you for you. So I do the process now. Now to arrest them, now I call him man. Mukusi. What I title this class is the stupidity of a Nigerian scammer. Now stupidity I see for you. Okay? How one man sitting in a dark corner thought he could outsmart Donald Trump and the FBI. You don't see so. As America they prepare to do Trump vast inauguration, donations across US were coming in. Social media was buzzing. People were happy. People they expect different things. Policy changes. Planning was in top gear. But in a quiet corner of Lagos, a man wasn't watching the headlines. What was he watching? He was watching the donations. After watching the donations, he had an idea. A stupid, greedy idea. He noticed something. What did he notice? He noticed the domain. The domain na T47inaugural.com. What did he call do? He call fake this domain name. Instead of this I, he call put more letter L. See so? Swap the letter I with a lowercase L. Almost identical. So that if he send this one to person, the person will quickly know say na fake domain they send to us. So you get the point now. He and his team, after creating that domain, they sent fake donation requests to dozens of people. Okay? Pretending to be Steve Witkoff, this man, who was the co-chair of the inaugural committee. Okay? Asking for donations to support Trump's big day. This committee, they sent up domain. They call send bulk emails out to people, request for donation. This guy, whoever he is, did the same thing. Created fake domain, mimicking their own. They send out bulk emails to people to also donate to support Trump inauguration. Pretending to be this man. Okay? Donald responded. Okay? On December 26th, 2024, the victim wired in 250,300 USDT ETH. This amount worth 460 million naira, which is $250,000. The funds landed in a crypto wallet heading in this, controlled by the scammers. That amount. Now this crypto wallet, the money enter. Okay? Within 2 hours, when they received that donation, they began moving the money. 250,000 USDT was scattered across multiple wallets. One wallet was a Binance account registered to one guy by the name Agboha. Created in October 2024 with no prior activities. This account was empty. This Mumu registered the thing in his own name. Cost scatter this amount to different wallets. After the money landed in this wallet, they cost scatter the money to different wallets. And one of the wallets, now the guy named Agboha. Okay? They call letter notice. They call report to FBI. FBI began tracking the stolen amount using blockchain analysis. Okay? They traced the funds to a wallet that transferred part of the money to a Binance account. The FBI reached out to Binance to request information. Binance get everybody's KYC. If you get account with Binance, your picture, your name, address, passport, international passport, or driver license, whatever. Binance provided the KYC details showing the account was opened in October 2024. Registered order Ehireme Agboha in Lagos, Nigeria. Had no proper transactions before receiving the stolen coins. Me say money no did that account before. You never use that to do anything. A clean account. Let's say prepare to do this type of thing. Meanwhile, the FBI examined email data from the fake domain. They enter the fake domain, they check everything. You know, say that email, the metadata, everything they there. Even your computer details, everything they say now, whether on phone or take the login or whether on computer, everything. The system they capture those information. Okay? FBI call examine everything. Login activity and IP addresses confirm control from Lagos. Say this domain now from Lagos, they control am. After they don't examine everything. The stolen funds, the Binance account, the scam emails were all connected to the same person and location. See so? They gave the FBI solid proof linking the activity to Agboha before any freezes occurred. They confirm say the person where they do this thing, he dey Lagos, he name na Agboha. His IP address, where he dey stay, passport, everything they see am. With the identity confirmed, the FBI formally asked Teta, the Tida, this platform, to freeze the wallet holding the stolen USDT. The company quickly complied with FBI. On December 31, 2024, the wallets were frozen. First recovered, they recovered this amount, this checkable amount, 20,017 USDT from Agboha's Binance account. You know, say they don't scatter the money now, abi? Some other accounts, one of them na Agboha's account. Now your account, they see this money. They also saw another amount from another account, that is another wallet. Total, when they recover, now 40k plus USD, which was around 60 million naira. So the stolen amount, now this amount, this USDT, this was the full amount sent by the victim, this amount, okay, which is about 460 million naira. But if you look at the breakdown, after they recover this is still missing. That is about $210,000. They never still recover this amount. Like those that buy one powerful vehicle, buy house, they call switch out to forex traders, you know, you go cry. Go cry. The case now, listen, FBI has filed a civil forfeiture. May they forfeit the money, okay? Finally, no say now freeze, they say they freeze the money. Now may they forfeit her, okay? They also issue an arrest warrant for Agboha. This arrest warrant is very active. Anywhere where they see her now, they go arrest him. If they catch him, he go face serious charges such as wire fraud, money laundering, business email compromise, because that domain name he compromised her. It's part of BEC. You don't see so. Say this guy was stupid. Education is not a scam. There's a level of education where you go reach there, you go know say, this part, you go put me for wahala. It's like you enter your neighbor house, your neighbor just bought big lorry. In the night, you go steal and come for your house. You say they no go catch you. How they no go catch you? Out of all people, you go steal from Trump. You bring bad name to Nigeria. Will this not impact Nigeria's image negatively? Few people, very few, they scatter the name of everybody. Mumu. Now you don't chop the money, you go they hide. They go still catch you. They go still carry you go that Yankee. You go still serve for there. Stay there, hold, come back. What is the purpose? A way that seems right to a man at the end thereof leads to what? Drop the final thing on the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Let me call the boy Mumu.